This is blue color. Let's draw the shape. Triangle. Circle. Heart. Star. Pentagon. Square. Now I'm going to make triangle POPIT, and we divide the triangle into lines. This is circle POPIT. Now I'm making small circle between the line. This is red color. Red is a rainbow color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green is also a rainbow color. I am using rainbow color in the triangle POPIT. Blue color. Purple color. This is triangle POPIT. Again I am using red color in the circle POPIT. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. This is circle. Circle POPIT. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Circle. Circle POPIT. This is heart. I am using the same color. red color, orange color, yellow color, heart. This is heart. Heart puppet. Green is also rainbow color. Purple. This is heart. Heart puppet. Star. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. This is star puppet. Green color. Sky blue color. Purple color. Star. Star. This is star puppet. Again I am using the red. Red is also a rainbow color. Red color. Orange is also a rainbow color. Orange color. Yellow color. Pentagon. Green color. Pentagon. Blue color. Purple color. This is Pentagon. Pentagon. Pentagon puppet. Red color. Square. Square. Orange color. Square. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. This shape is square shape. Purple color. Square. Square puppet. Red color, orange color, yellow color, green color, sky blue color, purple color. Red color, orange color, yellow color, green color, blue color, purple color. Triangle, circle, heart, star, pentagon, square. Triangle puppet, circle puppet, heart puppet, star puppet, pentagon puppet, square puppet. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.